Start with a magic circle and chain 2. This chain 2 won't be counted as a stitch. Now make 12 double crochets in this circle. Once you're done, pull up this loop to close the gap and slip stitch on top of this first double crochet. Next on, chain 2. Again, this won't be counted as a stitch. Now make 2 double crochets in each and every stitch and take this yarn in along with the working yarn. Once you reach the end, slip stitch on top of this first double crochet, and total you should have 24 stitches. This base measures around 3.5 inches. Next on, chain 1, this won't be counted as a stitch. 1 back loop, single crochet in each and every stitch around. Start the next stitch in the same stitch. 1 single crochet back loop, this is the back loop. This will create the turning base. Once you reach the end, slip stitch on top of this first single crochet and insert your hook in both the loops. Next on, chain 1 and now 1 single crochet in each and every stitch. Start the next stitch in the same stitch and continue with 1 single crochet in each and every stitch. Once you reach the end, do not slip stitch. You will be working in continuous rounds. This round onwards, make 1 single crochet in each and every stitch until you reach the size which you need. But here, instead of inserting your hook into this chain, this is the space, insert your hook in the V of this stitch. This is the V. Insert your hook into this stitch and make a single crochet. Usually you would insert over here, but instead of here, insert your hook into this. This is the next space, but don't insert your hook over here. Insert your hook in this space. If you're not able to insert it like this, turn your hook like this and insert it. This is how it will look. This is how the stitches will look. I made it up to 4.5 inches. At the end of this round, change to the other color, and while pulling through the last loop, change the color. And you can weave off this yarn. 1 single crochet in the next stitch. And take this yarn ends along with the working yarn. 1 long single crochet in the next stitch. Usually you would insert your hook into this stitch, but here insert your hook into the stitch below it, that is from the previous round, and make a long single crochet. And the next stitch, this is the first stitch, 1, 2 and 3. Insert your hook into this stitch, this one, that will be crossed to this, and pull up a loop. This is how it will look. This is the current round, this is the previous round, and this is the stitch before the previous round. Now repeat these stitches. 1 single crochet, 1 long single crochet, this stitch, and one more long single crochet. There's 1, 2 and 3. I hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.